Alright, so positive day, Delivers. This is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang tanghali sa lahat ng Delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Alright, so ngayon ay nandito pa rin tayo sa Singapore Airport. I think ang tawag dito? The biggest and the best in Asia. Yeah, kita-kita naman. So I enjoyed the airport. Nandito tayo sa anong bahagi ito, but we had our lunch here, tapos pahinga, diba? Sobrang ganda ng Singapore. I salute you, Singapore Airport. Na-appreciate ko siya. Alright, ganito. So, by the way, nagpapasalamat pala tayo sa ating president, sa kanyang, sa treat niya sa amin, sa lahat ng management team namin ng Asia Pacific College of Advanced Studies. Alright, so how to do online marketing the right way? Di ba ngayon lagi natin sinasabi, online marketing ng uso, digital marketing, everything, every business is using technology, di ba? But there are right ways doing the marketing, online marketing, di ba? Kasi ang dami na natin nakikita ngayon na nagkalat talaga. And businesses are using online and digital marketing. But the problem is they are launching too much platform na hindi naman siya nagagamit. Okay, so that's one of the problems. Masyado maraming binubukas lahat ng mga platform and yet may problem. Okay, so for example, you have one business, existing business. So dahil nga uso yung online marketing, so nagpagawa tayo ng website, nagpagawa tayo ng may email tayo, may Twitter tayo, may IG, may FB page, may FB account. So imagine if you have 6 platforms for your business using it for online marketing. Okay? So paano ginagawa mo? 'Di ba? Are you doing it the right way? For example, by the way, this content is brought to you by Guerrilla Marketing. Yan. So, nandun pa rin tayo sa Guerrilla Marketing. I think we're on day, I don't know exactly the day, pero I read it yesterday when we were in the, Universal Studio. So, habang si Ma'am Leia at si Yani ay nagsisigaw dun sa, Transformer. I've been there. The Transformer. I was transformed. Transformer. So, habang sila ay ako naman nagbabasa nasa sulok ng Starbucks, okay? So, I read yun nga, I forgot the day. Okay? So, sabi niya doon, eto, mga reminders, okay? Don't try too much with your online marketing. For example, pili tayo we're dying to have our website. But the problem is, what are you doing to your website? Okay? Di ba ang dami mga businesses na they are paying too much for their website? Ano ginagawa mo ngayon sa website mo? Wala, di ba? So, yan, si Doc na patituloy ako kaya. Sorry, kasi nagugulat mga kasama ko ganito ako mag-vlog. So, what are you doing to your website? Di ba? So, ang sinasabi ko lang ngayon, you're using online marketing nang hindi mo siya, ito, simplihan natin hindi natin siya na-maximize. Okay? So, may part 2 tayo nito. Ang part 2 natin, isa-isay natin. How are you going to use website? How are you going to use your page? Saan ginagamit ang page, ang email, and everything. Okay? Pero, this is just a reminder sa lahat ng mga may business na gumagamit ng online marketing. You are spending money, a lot of money, pero you're not doing it, using it the right way. So, balik tayo sa website, diba? Para makagawa ka ng website, you need to pay your manager niya, di ba? May nagmamanage ng website. Una, may gumawa ng website mo. Okay? Pangalawa, may nagmanage. And third, you paid for the, what do you call that? Domain, I think. Yeah, domain. So, para sa akin, Doc Gigi Marketing ata yung sa akin. Then, meron ka pang monthly hosting fee. So, you are paying money and yet wala ka namang ginagawa sa website. Di ba? So, naki-website lang tayo nakiuso na dapat may website yung ano mo. Well, of course, website is very important yan. That's, kasi that is one way to establish your credibility, the credibility of your company. Kaya nga marami talagang nagsiset aside ng budget for that. Okay? So, like me in my case, I have my website. And somebody's managing it. So, I'm checking it once a month. So, titignan ako naman, okay naman, marami naman nag-click. Di ba? So that's the first, okay? Second, you have your email ad. Di ba? Meron tayong email ad. Pero, are you using it or are you communicating very well in your YouTube or in your email? You know, I've been receiving email siguro a day kasi nagpaano ako sa assistant ko, palagay ako dito to have easy access. So pakita ko sa inyo, nakikita ko na rin dito may notification na like yan, email. Let me check, let me just show you nami-emailad ako. Ay, ba't nag-sign in ako? Wala naman pala. Anyway, but pag mag-isa ako dito na check ko naman siya. Pagka may nag-email, may notification. Pero ngayon parang hindi ko siya ma-open. Anyway, so ang dami ko dito nare-receive. Okay, na siguro a day, 20 to 30 messages ang nare-receive ko a day. So I cannot attend to all of these. So that's why I have an assistant who is answering all the emails, all the invitations, inquiries and everything sa email ko. So I just want to make sure na nababasa ko talaga. But somebody, one of my members of my team is answering my email. Okay? So what I'm trying to say here is meron talaga akong taga-sagot. I made sure na I'm maximizing my email. Okay? So how about your company? Na ma-maximize mo ba? Are you using the right terminology, the right way in communicating your clients? Alam niyo what I'm receiving from my email? I receive updates. Updates from different companies, from different businesses. No, kahit hindi ko sila, nire-replyan yung iba. Iba naman kasi I don't know their businesses, pero masipag sila mag-updates. So are you sending communication to your clients, updating what's all about your company, what's happening to your company? Nag-updates ka ba? Are you sending invitation? So if you have events, nakakarating ba dun sa clients mo, prospect clients mo, ang communication? Are you using your email the right way? Okay? So may email tayo pero hindi na rin siya, pag tininan mo, ang dami mo na pala message, salamat na sumasagot. Okay? Di ba sayang? Sayang ang online marketing. Sayang yung isang tool sana to get more clients, to get more sales. Okay? Third, na meron tayo, sayang, FB page. So, what are you doing to your FB page? Nag-update ka ba? What should be written in your FB page? I have my page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. So, ang ginagawa namin, normally kasi, what I have researched is, yung FB page mo, it should have content. So, it's all about providing content to your clients. Para naman yung kliyente mo, o yung mga customer mo, meron naman sila nakukuha sa'yo. So, one way to do that is having your page na nagpapublish ka. Like, for example, articles. Right, like, in my case, so I have my different vlogs. Nag-start po kasi ako not as a vlogger, as a vlogger. So, I wrote different articles. And one of my editors is here. Ayan, pwede ba kitang pakita? Di ba nag-edit ka ng pwede ba? Isa siya sa mga nag-edit ng aking ng vlog. Naalala mo yung mga vlog ko? No? Yeah, marami siya nag-edit, no? So, doon ako nagsimula. So, what I'm doing is, nakakonect po siya sa website ko. So, I'm not doing the pagpapublish. I'm not publishing it. Somebody else, again, isa sa mga members ng team natin, pinapublish siya yun. So, once a week, nagpapublish kami ng article, connecting it to my website. Okay? Yung article na yun, kasi mostly yung mga followers natin, it's either they are into business, or they want to start their own business, or it's about changing their lifestyle. Okay, from being an employee to being an entrepreneur, so something like that. So, yun yung mga followers natin. So, yung mga articles na sinulat ko is all about that. Okay? So, if you are following me, nakaka-receive ka sa akin nakaka-receive ka ng vlog, okay? Or nagpo-post kami, then once a week, makakabasa ka, diba? So, that's one of the uses of FBP. So, you are providing content. Then, directly, pagkabasa mo, siyempre mapupunta ka sa website ko. Then, I wish may editor can put the information sa akin, sa gilid-gilid, sa website natin. So, sa website, nandun na rin yung services natin. So, I make sure na ina-update yung ating website. Nandun yung mga seminars, titles ng seminars natin. yung mga iba pa natin mga activities nandun sa ating website. Okay? Contacts and other inquiry, may other informations with Doc Gigi. So, nandun yan. Okay? So, yeah, marami pa tayong pwedeng gawin. So, what I'm just trying to say sa lahat ng mga may negosyo that they are into online marketing, you don't need to launch all the social media platform. Like ako, I asked my team, sabi ko, pwede ba ako magka-IG? One of the members, sabi niya sa akin, Dok, huwag ka na mag-IG. Hindi ka marunong. Hindi naman. So, and then sabi niya, parang we don't need it. As simple as that. Ayun ang sagot niya sa akin. We don't need IG for your services, for your business. So, okay. So, wala. Kaya, may IG ako pero hindi siya, hindi siya active. So, hindi siya ginagamit. Twitter and others, hindi na namin ginagamit. So, nakikinig naman ako sa aking mga... Asa tayo? No. Nakikinig naman ako sa aking mga members, okay? So, pag sinabi nilang sa aking team, pag sinabi nilang, Doc, you don't need this, you don't need that. So, nakita ko naman, okay naman. So, yun na, hindi na namin ginagawa yun, okay? So, pumili lang ako basically for platforms like YouTube. Well, I need YouTube, okay? Second, YouTube is also one way to provide content to my clients. So, I use YouTube, website, FB page, and my FB. Yan yung ginagawa natin, okay? So, that's one of the right ways to do the online marketing, okay? So, mag-part 2 tayo mamaya doon sa ibang bahagi ng airport, okay? So, if you want to know more about online marketing, how are you going to use it to expand your business for the advantage of your business, just message me. I do online and personal coaching. Just message me 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi. Alright, so please share this video sa lahat may bigay natin kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas para sama-sama tayong mabago at mula dating buhay. Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day. Yan. Let's go.